Hi there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Join me today as I make a pop-up snow globe with cardstock. I'm starting with a sheet of thick basic white cardstock and cutting it down from 8.5 by 11 inches to 8.5 by 7.5 inches. Save this 3.5 inch piece. I find these snow globes a bit like potato chips, just one won't do, so I'm making 5 bases at once. Score the 7.5 inch side at 1 inch, 2.5 inches, 3.5 inches, 4.5 inches, 6 inches, and 7 inches. Don't stamp on the narrow half-inch tab at the bottom. I stamped snowflakes randomly in Versamark ink. Then I sprinkled with silver embossing powder and heat set. I stamped more snowflakes randomly in Versamark ink, then sprinkled with gold embossing powder and heat set. Repeat, filling in the spaces with smaller and smaller snowflakes and dots. With the score lines running horizontally, slice the sheet into 1.5 inches by 7.5 inch strips. For the inner mechanism, I scored a 4-inch wide piece of thick basic white cardstock at 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, and 3.5 inches. Then again, with the score lines running horizontally, I sliced it into 1 inch by 4 inch strips. I die cut a piece of window sheet with the largest circle from the layered circles dies. I applied double-sided adhesive sheets to 2 3.5 inch squares. Place a square with the cardstock side up on a cutting plate. Center 2 tree dies and the next smaller circle on the square and die cut. Then I placed the same large circle die from cutting the window sheet over this cutout circle and die cut it. Cut another ring from the remaining square and save the inner circle. I folded the embossed base on all the score lines, added glue to the little tab, and adhered it together. I folded the mechanism strip as shown. It looks kind of like a W with extra flaps. Then I added glue to the valley on the mechanism and glued it shut. Choose which wide panel you want for the front and place the base in front of you. Pinch the end flaps between your fingers and add glue to one side. Insert the mechanism in the center of the base, lining up the edges. Press and hold to adhere. Add glue to the other flap and flatten the base down to adhere. The mechanism should flatten when you push in on the base sides. Place the window sheet circle in front of you. Remove the adhesive backing from one of the rings and center over the circle. Flip the circle over and add the second ring. I placed the leftover circle in the ring and marked 2 points. Then I cut a snowbank between the 2 points. I removed the adhesive backing and adhered it to the circle. I removed the adhesive backing from the trees and placed them on the snowbank. I scattered drops of glue on the window sheet and let them dry for a little bit. Then I placed sequins on the semi-dried glue bits for my snow. Then I swirled Wink of Stella on the snowbank and on the tree branches. I adhered a strip of tear and tape on the top folded flap of the inner mechanism and attached the snow globe to it. I mailed the snow globe inside a snow embossed plain white card. For written instructions, please visit my website at Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.